till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Can we bring our sledge? We've got the sledge. What? Yeah. Oh dear.
Oh Lewis, hello.
Literally mate, your lens is just gone. My 27 years of being alive, I've seen the weather. It was sunny a second ago. This was sunny. Whee! Fucking tick.
I give up. I give up.
You actually slipped over, what the fuck? I can't do this! Mate, we're honestly gonna get snowed in, mate. I don't know what to do. Do we leave before it gets too wet? Do we leave? What do we do? My car's not, I'm Mr. Ford Mondeo.
Give a bit of context to this fucking video because this video's came out of nowhere. We came to the Lake District to get content on the scooters. We booked the trip before checking the weather. We looked at the weather and it said it was going to be raining for the entire trip, so we were like, right, okay. Let's make a video called How do the e-scooters perform
In the rain.
in the rain?
Does this look like rain to you?
Okay, the weather's we went to the pub that's somewhere over there.
Can't even see it.
The pub that's somewhere over there, got some lunch, we were like, right, well it was raining, so we're like, let's wait for the weather to clear up a little bit. Went in, grabbed some lunch, came back out, the weather was pretty nice. Right, nice bit of sun. Take the drone up, it's up for about 30 seconds, suddenly
80-mile-an-hour winds.
fucking 80-mile-an-hour winds, right? It's just us bringing the drone back in, trying to land it, absolute bonkers. Get in the car, checking over the footage, looking at the footage. Look up.
So
this? What the fuck?
Wait.
But yeah, that's a bit of context to the video. I didn't think I'd be videoing at all this trip. I thought it was going to be a bit of a write-off.
I didn't
to be
think I'd
quite
need a
honest.
fucking sledge this trip. Should have brought a snowboard.
Snowboard. Let's just take the FF apart and fucking use the deck of it.
Where's Jack when you need him?
Innit? Oh, these are the scooters, by the way.
Oh my days, that was so funny. It's getting worse.
You just got to laugh, ain't you?
Mate, I'm not even joking, right? People are leaving. Look, people are leaving. Should you go back in the pub and just get pissed?
I'd say.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Okay, so we're now back from our just ridiculous adventure. I don't know what we did today. It was just a mix of, I don't really know what came across us, because we were just like, I think we just went and just said seize the day and just did as and what ever came, and it was absolutely amazing. I think I picked up the camera at literally the best point of the day. I think if I'd waited for 10 more minutes to pick up the camera, I think we would have just lost the entire of what was probably one of the funnest trips I've ever had. Just complete and utter chaos. That's all today has been, is just absolute fucking chaos. So yeah, do hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to see the final result of the solar scooters video that we were doing, the just absolute fucking hecticness of just what we came here, well, it's not really what we came here for, we just kind of had to seize the day and say, fuck it, we need content, so we're just going to go and figure out a video. I will link that. Lewis, how long will that take you to edit?
2 weeks.
Okay, so I won't link that in the description below, but I will link Solar Scooters in the description below. Go check that actual YouTube channel out, subscribe to it, check out some of the videos.
You can always link it after it's done.
Potentially. There is one video I really want you guys to check out. I really want you to check out the Solar Scooters P1. It's either P1 or P1 Pro unboxing. I'm going to link it, and make sure you watch right to the very end, because there's a clip that Lewis does. A comical, absolutely fucking brilliant. I'm just going to let you watch it. It is brilliant. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please, as I say, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I'm sorry I don't upload more, but here we go. Goodbye.